Sorry. Hello everyone, this is Leonard from the Mail Bros. And as you saw in the previous video, I struggled to record GTA. It was a struggle. Anyways, we are back with Battle Warships. And because of my sister giving me goldfish on the last one, I turned it into a goldfish Battle Warships video. So, goldfish. Anyways, right now, before we head into battle, let me move that icon. Yeah, let's upgrade that. Let's move you. Upgrading in this game is very important, because if you don't upgrade, you win nothing. So we got that upgrade, and I think we should save the rest of the money and let's head into battle. Anyways, right now it's storming outside, and Elijah is playing Sonic Generations. Elijah, lower it down. He's getting hit by a truck.
No.
Alright, let's go full speed. So, who do we want to attack? I think we should really go after those two guys over there. Recording on a phone. Okay. Oh, they're already starting to fire. I think they are in range. Oh yeah, they're totally in range. Someone's staying still over at 4.9 kilometers away. At 3.87 thousand kilometers away. Oh wait, 3.6 kilometers away. That's what I meant to say. Silent fire, and ow. Our turrets are turning around. It's very time consuming. Our repairs. Let's go after this guy. Oh, they took out one of our guys. I ran into something. What the heck? Oh, we ran into that. He's taking heavy damage. This guy is so screwed right now. Oh, he's already dead. I just fired. Hard right. I mean, hard left. Torpedo? Oh, jeez! Dodge! This guy is in a royal, That ship is basically the ship you start off with. And so far, it's really good. It's a really good ship. But I think there are other ships that are better. Stop killing! Let me kill someone! Oh! Hard left, hard left. Oh, weapon fire! Alright. We're going up at full speed. Is there anything? Let's go kill him. And I can't heal anymore because I used it all. And the thunder is real outside. I'm in a really crap spot right now, guys. We won. Can I get the final blow? Fire, 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 fire! All weapons! What the? We won. I never got to kill anyone. It's no wonder we won. Ads! You guys hate ads just as much as I do, don't you guys? Oh, this ship took some damage. Okay. Wow. I never got to kill anyone. Dang. This might take some time. As I say that, it goes on. Hopefully I'll be able to get to kill someone now. Just got annihilated. Unless he left the server. Who shall we go after? Let's go after those two guys over there. You see on the map? Another one left. That means... Let's go after him. He's all by himself now. No one can help you. No one can help him. Is he in range? No, he's not. He's going to his squad to stay protected. Someone got level 14 on our gang. Someone got level 14 on their gang. currents are currently moving. He's all by himself still. We might have a chance of getting to him. Oh, wait, what? Can I hit him? If he stopped moving, maybe I can hit him. Took some heavy damage. I think we'll try something. I don't know why, maybe not anymore. He's retreating to the fleet. Ooh, dang, that guy was expensive. I can't see where I'm going. Impact! Brace for impact! That wasn't supposed to happen! Oh, dang. Let's go after that guy. Alright. He's in a starter ship. Bring it to a full stop. I'm taking light damage. Well, I died, but we won. Awesome. You know it. We hate it. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for this video. So, I did not expect to die like that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy, give it a thumbs up and throw in a subscription if you want to. Once you do subscribe, click that little bell down at the bottom to receive all of our videos, every new video that we make. So, yeah. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.